Welcome to this wonderful, this is extraordinary place. This is amazing and beautiful place. And this is the pool. Look at this, guys. That's awesome. This is the place, guys, where Jesus healed the paralytic man. I see this ship gate. This is the pool. Here in the ancient city of Jerusalem. Wonderful, guys. Hey everyone. Shalom, shalom, and welcome to this wonderful and beautiful Pool of Bethesda. Wow, this is really amazing and extraordinary, guys. Beautiful, awesome, and wonderful, wonderful.